Two police officers have received a lengthy prison time after they allegedly robbed a Manchester businessman. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. We have often heard that police are here to protect, serve, and reassure. But when you see police committing crime and violence, that's how you know our country is in a real problem. Now, two police officers have been charged and given a lengthy prison sentence after they were convicted of robbing a businessman in Manchester, and we want to provide you with the latest report in relation to this matter. So, a corporal who was once assigned to the Kingston Western Police Division is among two law enforcement officers who were sentenced on Friday for robbing a businessman of his licensed firearm and a sum of cash back in 2013. Corporal Gregory Givens, who recently pleaded guilty to the involvement in the robbery, was sentenced to 10 years for robbery with aggravation. Additionally, he was also sentenced to 7 years each on 2 counts of illegal possession of firearm. All 3 sentences are to run concurrently. The other lawman, Constable Gary Gossop, who was found guilty after a lengthy trial, was slapped with an 18-year prison sentence. He was sentenced to 18 years for robbery with aggravation and 15 years for 2 counts of illegal possession of firearm. The sentence ought to run concurrently. The men appeared in the gun court on Friday of last week, and this was where the lengthy sentence were handed down to the police officers. It is alleged that on October 13, the 3 policemen went to the businessman's house in Mandeville, Manchester, claiming that they were in search of a wanted man. They then proceed to rob the businessman of an undisclosed sum of cash and his licensed firearm. The incident was reported to the police, and following an intensive probe, the 3 cops were arrested and charged. However, one of the officers was later acquitted of the charges against him stemming from the incident based on lack of evidence in that case. So these were 3 police officers assigned to various divisions within the country. And it is alleged that in October 2013, they allegedly robbed the businessman of his licensed firearm and an undisclosed sum of cash. Now, what did they believe will happen in this case? They think as if this businessman would have just turned a blind eye to such a thing that they did. Now, these police officers, they have just shown their whole career under the bus based on the act of greed or the act of them showing their power of authority in the case such as this. But we'll continue to just track this story anyway and provide you with more information once it becomes available to us. But it's just sad to see that these individuals, they were put in this authoritative position to serve, protect, and reassure, and they did not carry out such action whenever they went to this businessman house. They went there in search of a wanted man allegedly, and then they stole the licensed man firearm. How can you stole someone licensed firearm as a police officer? How naive can you be when you look on a situation such as that? And when you look on it, they also took an undisclosed sum of cash from the residence of this businessman as well. Now they have been handed down some serious sentence, 18 years. One of the police officers is serving right now. And it just goes to show you that crime and violence, and whenever you get involved in certain situations such as these, it doesn't pay in the long run because they have thrown their whole entire career through the window just in order for an illegal firearm and a little bit of cash. Now we'll continue to just provide it more details to come on this story. This has been Links007 TV. You're gonna drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this story and how do you think that the police acted in solving this case. Do you believe that these sentences were just, or do you believe they were too lengthy for the crime committed? Just drop it in the comment section. I look forward to hear your response. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always supporting the movement of Links 007 TV.